Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the beach, sun, fun. We just entered like our 17th month of winter here where I live. I am so ready for the summer months, and my husband and I are going on a cruise in just a few weeks. I picked up some things at the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love cruising, and whenever I go on a cruise, I like to go to the Dollar Tree and get some of these items. They're really affordable. You know you're gonna use them. You know they work. If you're not going on a cruise, not to worry. A lot of these items will be appropriate for any warm weather vacation. If you're going to the beach, if you're going to Disney, anywhere you might be traveling this spring and summer. So let's get started daydreaming about these vacations. I've got a big bag of stuff and I'm just gonna dive right in. I picked up this little sun hat for my daughter. How cute is this? I think they have this out for Easter, but I think it looks really darling for really any warm month. I love this little bow, and it looks kind of like those hats that you're seeing with the little phrases on them. This is actually gonna be for a DIY this week. I'm gonna put something on here. It's gonna be super, super cute. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button so you'll see that project that we're doing really soon. I got this little bandana. As you can see, I've already tied it up. You get a lot of really fun color bandanas at the Dollar Tree, a lot of different patterns and styles. This is perfect when you're at the beach and you want to get the front of your hair up off your face. Really inexpensive, a lot of fun colors. I loved this mint color. I love to get like toiletry items when I'm traveling at the Dollar Tree. They're so inexpensive. They've got a lot of different kinds, and I got a bunch for this trip. I got this toothpaste. This is kind of the size that I like to always buy when I'm traveling. It's perfect for a family, better than those little mini ones, and it's just $1, and it's Crest. If you got this at like Target, I think it would be closer to $3, so a really great price at Dollar Tree. Also, things like hair ties, hair clips. If you're going swimming, you know you're gonna need a bunch of these. Throw them in your beach bag. Really convenient. And then like travel sunscreen. If I'm going to the beach, I always load up on the big sunscreens, but I think it's perfect to have little ones like this as well. If you're on a cruise, maybe you're going on an excursion, you're leaving the boat, and you still want to be able to reapply sunscreen, but maybe you're gonna have a smaller bag. Stuff like this is really, really perfect. And then when it comes to cruising, you always want toiletries that have to do with cleanliness, right? People get sick on cruises and it's really contagious. You're in tight quarters. So I like to get stuff like these antibacterial wipes. You get a whole box of them. This is 20 for just $1. And I like that I can have things like this. It's really thin. You can throw a couple in your pocket. My husband could put some of these in his wallet. And then of course like a bottle of antibacterial. I'm loving this line that Dollar Tree has right now. They've got these little ones that look like candies. This is Blow Pop. They've got a bunch of different types out right now, but you know you can never have enough bottles of antibacterial when you are cruising. And then on the same theme as that beach bag, I like to always get like a little comb, something that you can brush out your hair. You know you're gonna have all that sand and seawater. I like to pick up some sunglasses. My husband is notorious for breaking his sunglasses. In fact, the last time we went to the beach, he broke his sunglasses and he broke the backup pair of sunglasses that I brought for him. So maybe I should have got more than one pair, but I got him just a little pair of just in case backup sunglasses. I got some little baggies. I talk about these all the time. I love buying things like this at the Dollar Tree. This one is just perfect. It's a little zip bag and it's silicone. So it's not gonna get things wet that you put inside of them. So you are going to the beach, the pool, you're on the cruise, you know, you've got things like your phone, your credit cards, and you can put stuff like that in this and then put this in your beach bag, and you know this stuff is gonna be protected. And then it's perfect for a cruise because let's say you're by the pool and then it's lunchtime and you don't wanna take everything you brought. You don't wanna take your sunscreen, your books, your hats and everything just to go to the lunch buffet. But you wanna be able to grab your phone and your credit cards, right? So you can just pick this little bag up, go with it, and leave everything else at your beach chair. I also got this little Ziploc baggie. Ziploc, it's not a Ziploc. I think this is actually meant to be a pencil case, but it's got a little mermaid pattern that's perfect for the beach. And I like stuff like this because it's just organization. In my big beach bag, I can put smaller items in this, little things like the hair ties, the travel sunscreen, stuff like that will fit, and then it stays a little more organized in my beach bag. I picked up some beauty items as well. Oh, maybe just one, no, two. I don't wear waterproof makeup typically at all. I like to be able to easily get my makeup off, but when I'm going to the beach or the pool, I love waterproof makeup, and so I don't usually have it on hand. And for like $1, I can get waterproof mascara at the Dollar Tree, and then I love these facial wipes. I always pick these up when I travel. I think it's a great way to take your makeup off at the end of the day, and it's just convenient to have it maybe by your bedside, in your cabin. They've got great summer scents. And then travel medicine is always a must, and Dollar Tree is a great place to buy stuff like... Sorry, my battery died, so I charged it up a little bit. I was talking about medicine. I love to get travel medicine at the Dollar Tree. It's so inexpensive. They're so much more inexpensive than anywhere else. I got this little travel Advil. You get little packets of it, but they have so many different brands and kinds of travel medicines, so make sure you check them out for your preferred brand and type. You're on a cruise ship, there's not going to be like a CVS you can run to. Buying stuff from their shops can be really expensive, so you don't want to be without medicines if you need them. I got this little pool toy. It's an inner tube. Dollar Tree has so many great pool toys out right now. Beach balls, you can get noodles, you can get sand buckets, all sorts of sandcastle toys. A really great spot for beach toys. They've got like the floaties for little kids. They've got goggles. Check them out. I also got this pair of really pretty pale pink flip-flops. These are going to be for a DIY this week as well. Again, hit that red subscribe button. You're going to want to see what I do with these. $1 for flip-flops is great. And then once we upgrade them with my DIY, they're going to be super cute. And then last but not least, I've got this little tote bag. I talk about these all the time on my channel. I love these tote bags that the Dollar Tree sells. They come in so many different patterns. You can pick your favorite. There's going to be a style that you like, and they fold up really, really small, so they're so easy to put in your suitcase. They're not going to take up extra room, and then they are a great beach bag, a great pool bag, and then if you did any shopping and you've got souvenirs, it's also a great little carry-on for the plane when you go back home. So that's it. That's what I've got. I've got a few more weeks to keep planning and preparing. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was, what you like to pick up from the Dollar Tree for the beach. I would love some new ideas. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked it, so I know to do more videos like this. I've got a lot of summer stuff coming up. This week I'm doing Beach Week here on my channel. I'm gonna have a bunch of DIY projects for you guys having to do with summer vacation. Like I said, I am totally daydreaming about the sun. I cannot wait. And hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss any of those videos. I make really easy projects every single week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.